Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a good day and you've come to the right place for tips and tricks. On the channel, we do tech reviews and obviously app and game tips and tricks and reviews as well. So stick around for more content like this. We're going to jump right into the video now, and it's a Snapchat trick you need to know about. So obviously you're taking your snap and now you want to draw something over it or write something with the pen tool, right? So obviously you can change the color, which you should know by going up and down because all the colors are there. You have your color palette right through from white to black, but then you have like the reds and the yellow, green and blue in the middle. But did you know, if you have the color selected and you slide to the left of that color, you got to hold down and slide to the left, you get different gradients, and those gradients go darker to the left and lighter to the right. So let's try it out here. So obviously the white, for example, you go from white to grey to a darker grey and then to black, which is demonstrated here now. So let's scribble in a bit of the white color, and then we're going to go into grey, and as you keep sliding to the left of that, you get a darker variant of the color, which is very handy. And I hope you found this video useful. You've learned something new here, and it's as easy as that, ladies and gentlemen. That is all you need to know about the color wheel or color palette on Snapchat. If you've learned something new on the channel today, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more good content coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.